Hey everyone, you've put in the work, your website is ready, but when you visit your domain, it still says coming soon. In 2026, GoDaddy uses this as a default placeholder until you officially give the green light. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to remove that screen and launch your site to the world. Let's go live. Step 1. Access your website builder. First, log into your GoDaddy account on your desktop. From your dashboard, scroll down to the Websites and Marketing section. Find the site you want to launch and click the Manage button. On the next screen, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open up the Builder interface. Step 2. The One-Click Publish. Once the editor loads, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a prominent Publish button. Click Publish. In 2026, GoDaddy will show a quick confirmation window. Once you confirm, your site's actual content will instantly replace the Coming Soon placeholder on your domain. Step 3. Troubleshooting, the Settings method. If clicking Publish didn't work, or if your site is in maintenance mode, go to the Settings tab in the right-hand panel of the editor. Look for Publication Status. If it says Unpublished or Coming Soon, simply toggle it to Published. This manually overrides the placeholder and pushes your design live. And just like that, your website is officially open for business. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.